What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Johnny, and today we have another Lexus, as you can see, and this one is the RCF 5-liter V8 that pushes out 467 horsepower and 389 pound-feet of torque, connected to an 8-speed automatic, and this color is the ultra white. As we walk to the back, you'll see the that active rear spoiler. It actually sits down. You have your dual exhaust with quad tips. You got your RCF badge. 19-inch wheels, alloys in the front and in the rear. 255s, 35s in the front, and 275 35s in the rear. Performance tires by Michelin. Ventilated disc. Here in the front, all the V8 models from Lexus, you can see that the hood is a bit raised, and you got your outlet for the heat to come out. Here on the top, front aggressive look by Lexus. Whole car, it looks pretty sick. Just look at that. In this white, it makes all the lines stand out. You can see all the detail. Let's step inside. I'm gonna show you the inside of that, but before, let me show you the trunk, how big it is. There's your trunk. I got my drone in there and my tripod. You got a cargo net here. It's pretty decent size for a coupe, bigger than you will find in a Camaro. You got your Lexus first aid kit. By the door, you have your white stitching and also your blue F Performance stitching, carbon fiber trims, memory seating, and you have no cup holders here by the door. Alcantara and leather wrapped. Steering wheel is the same you will find on the IS, same that my car has. Honestly, I was expecting a difference, more sporty front steering wheel, but not this case. Bucket seats with the F badge, nice side holsters, keep you in place. Cup holders here in the center, two F's embedded into the seats. Have your automatic high beams, the switch for your active spoiler, blind spot monitoring system, and your parking sensors. Right down below, you have your latch for the hood and your trunk. The steering wheel, it is leather wrapped, not heated or anything. The steering wheel is the same as on my IS model, but the gauges on this ones are a bit different. And on top you have your temperature gauges and your fuel gauge. Right down below you have your current MPG, info for the vehicle, your range, and all that. If you move to the right, you'll find your F Performance settings, such as your lap timer, your fastest lap, your G-force, and the positioning of your wing and your tire pressuring. Big tachometer in the center with the digital speedo. Depending on the modes you have, it'll change. That's your Sport and your Sport Plus. Went on to the center, you got your small entertainment screen. So you can see you got all this space, but then actually cover all that. They kept it small. On my IS, it actually covers the whole panel for it, but on this one, it's really, really small. So the way you control your entertainment screen is by this pad right here. I wish my IS had it, but I have the little mouse piece looking thing that I would prefer this one, honestly. You got your 8-speed automatic lever shifter knob right here, leather wrap, blue stitching and blue and white stitching. Heated and cool seats for both driver and passenger. Carbon trim on the glove box and on the passenger door with the blue stitching and white. Up top you have your sensor lightings. All you do is touch them and they'll turn on and off. You get your SOS button and your lights for your doors. You do not have a moonroof on it, or a sunroof, whichever you want to call. It's all soft touch. So let's talk about performance on this Lexus RCF. So you have a 5-liter V8 engine that puts out 467 horsepower and 389 pound-feet of torque. It is connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and you also get a limited slip rear differential. MPG on it is 16 city and 25 highway. You have 4-wheel independent suspension, front and rear anti-roll bars, and the Lexus F Performance suspension. That is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is another car that I never thought I would drive. Once again, thanks to Gary Force Honda and Daniel Del Rio for hooking me up with this 2019 RCF. Made another dream come true, made me get behind the wheel of a car that one day I hope to have. This is not the right moment for it. I know it. Honestly, I wasn't expecting them to have this car soon, but you know, because lately I drove an LC 500, and that was another dream of mine, a car that I never thought I would drive, but I did thanks to them. And now an RCF. So I kind of want to drive an ISF. I own an ISF. I had two ISS 250 and an IS 200T. My current car is the IS 200T. If you're watching this and you know somebody, or if you drive an ISF and you would let me make a video with it, shoot me a message. You know, find me on Instagram at JohnnyTube. Would love to experience, you know, be inside an ISF. I would love it. Would make another dream come true. Honda did get one back in the days, back before I started making videos, so I never got a chance to make a video for or experience one. But if they ever do get one, trust me, I will make a video of it, because Lexus basically is my brand, something I love, the brand I love. One day I want to be able to drive an LFA, and that is my dream. That is my dream car, the Lexus LFA. So fingers crossed, and we'll see how it goes. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Take care, and God bless y'all.